We are Pia and Sean van lifing with our two chihuahuas. We made it to a campground in Shaver Lake, California. Beautiful views, but we were unable to stay too long because a mountain storm was brewing. Please stay tuned. We hope you like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. And headed out to Dinkey Creek Campground, which is at Shaver Lake, and it's a long weekend for me, so we're stopped for gas right now, and then I'm getting hungry. It's around 1:30 in the afternoon. Haven't eaten since 8 o'clock this morning. So I'm gonna warm up some food and then we'll keep going and show you around our new campsite. So for food here we have a chicken sandwich and then an egg salad sandwich and marbled cake. The dogs, BobaFett and Han Solo, are just watching, and Sean is paying for gas inside.
Hello from Dinkey Creek Campground. We'll show you the creek. It's back there. Not too many people here as the spring season just opened, and it's supposed to snow tomorrow, and it's May. So we thought we brought our wood-fired grill because I'm gonna do some salmon, but we got a nice little clean wood fire here. I'm gonna set up, we're gonna grill some corn and do a little outdoor grilling tonight. Got our family is right around us, and right now we're the only people in this loop, but pretty cool spot. Little bit on an angle, but not too bad. We'll see if I can get this fire going. Have our new bug out solar from Overland Solar. Seeing if we can catch some of this sun poking through the clouds before it starts raining today. All right, we got a log cabin formation, the little A-frame, and we're gonna get started with these tumbleweeds. Work really well for a fire starter, and get a fire going for a little grilling.
We are here at Dinkey Creek Campground by the Sierra National Forest, and we are kind of close to Shaver Lake here in California. We are in the central part of California. So this campsite does have a lot of spots. I think there's over 100 spots for both tent and car campers, RV campers, but there is a particular spot for those that have RV to tow, and there is one group site that allows up to 50 people. The campsite has 2 swimming areas where it's made of granite pool, and I want to check it out, but I don't know where it is quite yet, so we'll have to do our research. There is a trail that you can walk to get to the creek. So I have Han Solo here. It's our first time at this campground, so we're really excited. You can check it out, and book through recreation.gov. So right now we got the van set up and we're about to make dinner. And tonight we are having salmon with rice and corn on the cob. We are probably not going to be able to do too much tomorrow because it's supposed to rain. We'll see. It's supposed to snow and rain. Right now up here in the mountains it's about 56 degrees. It's supposed to drop down into the 40s tonight. So we'll see. Hopefully we won't get any rain. Even if it's just a little bit of rain, it's okay, but hopefully not too much.
The doggies have emerged. Hi, honey. This is going to be her first fire. Chihuahua's on the tree.
Pardon? Did you work today? Just in the morning, and then that's why we were like behind.
Walking at our campsite at Dinkey Creek Campground. We'll check out the creek later on. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening, and before the sun goes down, we'll get dinner set up first. As you saw, there was snow on the ground. It's supposed to snow probably tomorrow with the rain. There is 50% chance of rain tomorrow, so it's like 56 degrees right now. First week of May. So we'll see how the weather turns out tomorrow.
All right, we got the fish on the grill with the corn, and not too hot. So a little good old school aluminum foil cooking in place of our wood fire grill that we forgot. You can hear it sizzling. All right, we got the salmon, and it turned out pretty good.
Very good.
Rice, corn got cooked. Got a couple little pink spots, might have to work around, but pretty good. Did a little wood fire salmon. What do you think here, honey? Oh. Here's a Saturday morning at Dinkey Creek Campground. Not very crowded at all, probably due to the fact it might snow tonight in May. Not a lot of people showed up last night. It's about 40 degrees right now. We got the puppies doing their business, and we are expecting some precipitation and chillier weather today. So gotta check on the fam, make sure they're gonna be okay in their tents tonight, and explore a little bit more of the area today. at the Dinkey Creek day use area. They got some warming cabins, lots of granite. I'm gonna check out the area.
Try the water, huh?
Hey everybody, we have made the executive decision with our family who were pretty cold last night tent camping, and it only got down to the 40s, to exit a day early because, as you can kind of see, there's a big storm coming in, and it's a winter storm, and the temperature up here is going to drop from 60s yesterday to 20s with a low of 20 or 19 tonight, and it's supposed to rain and then snow and become freezing rain. So it's 51 degrees right now, which is not bad, but we feel bad for our family that is intense and have little kids, so they're going to be freezing. We would have been fine, but driving out tomorrow would be really icy, and we could definitely be somewhat stuck. So everybody here is gonna tough it out, looks like, for the night on. Hopefully they know, because there's no service up here either, so we were able to check the weather with Starlink. But we are leaving Dinkey Creek. We got some drone footage of the creek at the end of this road, so we'll show you what that looks like. And it's just a beautiful mountain camping area. But we'll have to wait till next time. So thanks for watching, and do you like this place? Yeah, we'll be back. We like it, and please like and subscribe.